Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we have a review of a device from Pure DIY, a leading company in manufacturing and modifying handheld PC devices. Let's start with the device's specifications. The device comes in two different versions in terms of the type of external structure. The first version is made of carbon fiber, which is characterized by lightweight with the presence of modern graphics on the device. The weight of this version of the device is 430 grams, and the second version is made of aluminum. Where the device's body was made of pure aluminum to facilitate the device's cooling cycle and heat dissipation while gaining durability and strength in the external structure. It is distinguished by the small weight of the device, as the weight of the device reaches 470 grams without the control arms, and when the control arms are installed, the weight of the device reaches 520 grams. The device comes with a well-known AMD Ryzen 7 and 6800U processor. The device comes with 32 GB RAM and 1 TB and type of LPDDR5 module with a frequency of 6,400 per second. The battery has a capacity of 6,700 mAh. The device screen comes up IPS screen display. The screen refresh rate of 60 frames. The screen cooling system color gamut 100% sRGB and brightness 400 nit touch screen and 6 inches.